So after you graduated,
Mm-hmm.
you started doing some freelancing.
Yes.
That was a great thing.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little more about that?
So it wasn't even my idea, actually. And like, credit to Muzik. She's the one that actually put it in my mind, like, to use Upwork, which is like a platform for freelancers. And I started off very simple. It's like stuff that I was comfortable with doing, like not even development. Like, I'm really good at like HubSpot CRMs and Salesforce. So I would like, all right, I need this done. But then working with them, I'm like, oh, you guys also need a landing page. I can build that for you too. Like, leaning on my development skills. And it helped for two ways. One, financially it helped. And two, like, I'm practicing. Like, I'm still learning, and I'm responsible for this client. This client is like giving me a project and I need to finish it in a timely manner. So like, and of course I looked up things, but that's normal development. I had to like, how do you hook up this page to the like this password page or something? Simple stuff like that, I still had to look up. So for me, I felt like it's a good way to learn, continue learning, and get paid for learning. Like, as long as you're truthful with yourself and you can do the job, I feel like it's a great opportunity to learn and get paid while you're learning. Another important thing I would say about freelancing is like, you meet new people, and we'll talk about it later, but like, for me, I met a lot of different people from walks of life that like, they still, hey, can you do this for me? Or like, hey, I'm in San Diego, do you want to hang out? And it's more than just, they weren't just my client, they were friends that I've actually hang out with now. So I think it's a really great opportunity. You do have to put yourself out there, though. That's the one thing I will say, is you have to be comfortable with, one, like applying for these jobs, getting shut down. But for every job that you get shut down, there's a job that you're going to get. That there's really no other advice I can say, but put yourself out there.
Right.
Yeah.
Like, you can't get anywhere if you don't ask.
For sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Or apply, or whatever it is.